Welcome to Canvas Assignments and Assessments. In this portion, we will be discussing student groups. Now let's talk about creating a group within an assignment. So if I were to navigate to my assignments index page through the course navigation menu and select my sample assignment 1, I would go in and I would edit that assignment. And then within the assignment options, I can designate the assignment as a group assignment. From there, I can select a group set, or I can create a new group category, where again, I can go in and create a group. Okay, and for this one, I want to go ahead and split my students into groups of 4. Actually 2. Okay, it lets me, select leadership if I so choose, and select save. And I've created a group set within the assignment. And then I just have to go in and make sure that I save it in order to keep that as a saved option. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.